Hey there, it's me Mehtab Alam from Gilgit, Pakistan, and welcome to the Global Encounter Expedition Pakistan camp. We are thrilled to share our experiences with you all, where young minds from 8 different countries came together and teamed up with the Ismaili CIVIC Pakistan for something truly special. So imagine this, a beautiful day at the Arabian Sea in Karachi, where we all came together for a beach cleanup. And it's not just a cleanup, it's the commitment towards the environmental stewardship.
What's even more exciting, we've got the spirited Girl Guides and Boy Scouts joining us. And trust me, it turned the day into a vibrant celebration of unity and responsibility towards our planet. We put in some serious work, and you won't believe what we accomplished. With everyone chipping in, we collected several kilograms of waste material, bottles, litter, you name it. We're not just picking up trash. We're soaking the importance of safeguarding Mother Earth. We get it. We are the future caretakers of this planet. And together, we are global encounters